Hello again, and thank you for joining Jeff and Jenny's Classic Restorations. Well, today we're having a bit of a rest from Classic Restorations, so we're back with the 2011 Renault Kangoo, and it's a 1.5 DCI diesel engine. I've been meaning to do this for a little while. There's no engine management lights on or anything, but I did plug it into the top-down reader, and it came up with the P0670, which is a generic code, glow plug control module, control circuit open. Well, I've been using it through the deepest of winter, freezing cold days. Once the glow plug light goes out, it starts first time. So I don't think there is a problem with it, but I thought, well, what I'm going to do, it's a bit like replacing spark plugs on a petrol engine. I'm going to try and replace the glow plugs today, and then hopefully I'm going to carry on. It might actually be tomorrow, but same video. I also thought, well, I might as well do something else, and that is, well, I was going to clean it out, but the other plan is to take the EGR valve off, the exhaust gas regeneration valve. And I thought, well, I could clean it, but this was £50. I thought, well, no, let's try it out, put a new one in. It does run fine. The only one problem I get with it is that when it's on tick over, sometimes it stumbles a little bit, but that's all. It runs fine on motorways and everything. But I thought, well, I could clear the EGR valve out. I have seen a lot said about that, so why not? Let's put a new one in and see how it goes. So we're going to start with the glow plugs. I'll just show you what I've done so far, and we'll carry on with it. Well, I've looked at a few videos online. There's a few for the DCI 1.5 engine, but not much about the actual Renault Kangoo. So this was the first problem I came to. How do I get this inner engine cover off? It doesn't actually have an outer one, but basically I just wanted to show you, because there's lots of people do ask. There's a clip here, there's a clip that goes under there which holds that down, little clip there that just pulls in, and then also you've got a 10mm bolt that goes in there, and that will pull that off. To do that, I've had to, if I just move it over here a minute off this stand, I've had to disconnect this pipe here, and that's two 10mm bolts that bolt that down. Now, if I want to do this, let's put the torch on a minute. Obviously the glow plugs are down there, and I've actually sprayed some WD-40 into there for the time being, or something similar anyway. And over the back there you can see, where are we, God's sake, where is it? Over the back, yeah, behind this pipe I've pulled back. It's behind there, you can't see it actually, but just behind that is the EGR valve. So I might do it in one day. It depends how badly things go wrong with just doing these glow plugs. If it does go well, I'll carry on and do it. If not, I'll come back and carry on with the rest of the video tomorrow. So let's make a start on these glow plugs. Right, I'm just going to remove the first of the glow plug things. You just pull this tab up. There we go, and that pulls the connector out, and there's the top of it just down there. Now I have got the replacement obviously here, and I've got I believe on here they're 10mm sockets, so I've got a proper socket there to pull that one out. But so I'm just going to try that, not overdo it, because the last thing we want to do is snap it in there. So let me just try the first one, see if that comes out with this adapter thing for the for these plug things. Right, finally got that one out. I assume it's quite stiff as well. I assume it's longer, but I assume once that should be okay. Just a slightly higher thing to put the connector on. But yeah, look at the difference there. It's quite caked in soot, and that one's clean. So let's try and get this one back in again. I think it's all looks the same. Yeah, I don't know, let's have a look. Yeah, so I'll try and get this one in, and if that goes in successfully, we'll carry on with the rest. Right, well that's all the old ones out, new ones in. It wasn't that much of a problem, which is unusual for me. So I'm going to carry on. This is the last job today. This is the EGR valve at the back here. I'm just fascinated to know the condition of it, that's all really. So there's, I think there's 3 bolts, one there, one around there, and I think one around the back's a bit difficult to get to. So I need to try and remove this plug out of it, undo the 3 bolts, and hopefully that will just slide out and we can just see the condition of it. Just fascinated to know, that's all. Right, well you'd now join me about an hour later. Of course there's always a problem, the easy bit, taking off the wire harness here. Would it come out? No, I've finally done it. So I've now taken the 3 screws, one around that side, one down here, and one awkward one round the back. So apparently you just loosen this off now and it should come out, and we can have a look at what state it is, which is quite a state. So in a way I'm glad that we've changed this. I'm going to just check the valve and everything, make sure, well, it doesn't really matter, I've got a new one, but just going to see if the valve actually does work. But oh, look at that, the soot coming out. Well, I think that was worth changing. So yeah, okay, I'll have a quick look at this, and then we'll try and get the new one back in. Well, yeah, just having a quick look, pushing the valve up. It does go up a bit slow, but I'm not really sure how fast it's going to go anyway. But yeah, looking at it, yeah, it's covered in soot, but it could actually be worse. So let's try the new one in there now, and see. Well, I don't know if it can make any difference at all, but we'll try anyway. Right, okay, so that's all now fitted, all tightened up. Now it's just a case of getting this cover back on again. As I say, it's I think that clips under there somewhere. You've got these metal clips, and then one bolt through there, which will bolt it to the cylinder head here, and connect these pipes. And I've collected all the tools that have now gone all under the engine bay. They're all collected. So let me get this back on, pipes connected, and we'll just hope it starts. Right, okay, everything all back together again. Let's give it a start. Something's going to go wrong, you just feel it. Right, just check that the lights go out on the ignition here. Let's close it up a minute. Yeah, there goes the glow plugs off. See what happens. One good thing, I suppose. Right, seems alright. Take it for a drive, see if there's any difference. Maybe a bit more power. Not that they're that powerful anyway. Right, so hopefully that'll be okay. I'll go out for a little drive later and see how it is. Right, might as well just say goodbye to Jenny. The wife's never very happy about this because she now sleeps in the flower bed. This is her bed, the flower bed. She's actually ruined it all, buried treats in there and what have you. But anyway, so I hope you didn't mind me showing you the van. Wasn't a classic restoration or anything, but it needed to be done. So that was the glow plugs done and the EGR valve. So I'll take it for a little drive later, see if there's any difference. I doubt it, but at least I know all that's done. So till next time, hopefully we'll be back with the Easy Rider, and you take care. See you soon. Bye for now.